I just felt real spicy, y'all, real colorful. I just felt real bright today, okay? So I wanted to come and do a makeup look. I did a real fun lip and did a little eyeshadow for y'all today. I tried out a new eyeshadow palette. It's like mixed metals, peach, and metallic eyeshadows. So I thought that was fun. And the hair, I've been really feeling this hair. Y'all, this is a headband wig off of Amazon. Yes, Amazon. And if y'all are interested though, I can do a whole video on Amazon headband wigs because I ordered 2 of them. I ordered this one and I also ordered a kinky straight headband wig. So, girl, yes. So anyway, y'all, I hope y'all enjoy this makeup look and just come hang out with me. Hey y'all, what's up? So I've already moisturized my face, so we're gonna go straight into primer. And I am priming with the Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer. I love this stuff.
In the evening, wanna break up, say that you've had enough. I'm tired of talking again and again, argue about everything. You are my darling, this kiss and makeup, I know you wanna touch. You call me every night.
I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows off camera, but let me know, y'all. Comment down below if you want me to do a brow tutorial for you guys.
I'm right, baby, let me talk to your body. We gon' be okay, hear me when I say, if you need me, I'm gonna be by your side. If you want me, I'm gonna be there, alright. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right way. If you call me, I'm gonna pick up the phone. If you tell me, I'm gonna meet you alone. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right way.
And again, y'all, the secret to full coverage foundation is to pat the foundation into your skin. Do not use swiping motions.
I'm gonna treat you right every night. I'm gonna treat you right every day. I'm gonna treat you right when we're out dancing. You on my hips, me on your lips, so sweet. Both understanding. When we're a team, nothing can get to me. I'm yours for the taking. Every part, all of my heart you get. I don't fear nothing when I'm with you, and baby, when you're with me. You call me every night, call me every day. I just wanna get you alone now. Trust me when I say we gon' be okay. We just gotta boom bada boom ba. I don't wanna fight, you know that I'm right. Baby, let me talk to your body. We gon' be okay, hear me when I say, if you need me, I'm gonna be by your side. If you want me, I'm gonna be there, alright. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right way. If you call me, I'm gonna pick up the phone. If you tell me, I'm gonna meet you alone. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right way. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you the right way. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you the right way. I'm gonna treat you right every night. I'm gonna treat you right every day. I'm gonna treat you the right way. I'm gonna treat you the right way. I'm gonna treat you the right way. The right way, the right way. The right way, the right way. Right way, the right way. Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how, rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice.
Now, I don't know what made me grab this little fluffy brush to set my concealer, but it is not working. Yes, girl, grab your blender.
I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's do, babe. Don't need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something, give me more than one thing.
So if you're enjoying this vibe that I got going for y'all, why don't you consider subscribing down below, girl? I got some more stuff coming for y'all.
Special and she reckless. Baby, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good.
All right, now we starting to get to the fun part now, y'all. Adding some color back to this face, okay? So you know we have to get the blush popping. We got to get the highlight going. And then we going to do a little something with some eyeshadow on our eyes, girl. We don't never hardly do that. So we going to get the eyeshadow popping today. And we going to do a nice, colorful lip, honey. Because dark-skinned girls, we can put on some color, too.
Wet dreams come true. She know she bad, better than bad. She a gunshot that blew my mind. No distance, I come by my side. Everything is green over here. Oh, yeah. Everything you want and think about. No, I got your back all the way. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Look, best friend and big family. Me and you, we can be something we want to. When I see the dream we're chasing true, and don't care for me, yeah, yeah. Luckily we're free to be first class, riding casually, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Look, best friend and big family. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you.
All right, y'all. So the key to using a bold lip color like this, y'all, is to use it as a liner. Don't put this over your whole lip. You're gonna look crazy, okay? So I like to use this as like a liner, and then we'll go in with something lighter in the middle and kind of blend it together, like to give the ombre effect. All right now, girl, yes, you could not tell me I wasn't cute this day. Y'all, thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe down below.